since Mac is out to his peg work party, I'm actually gonna go to like the big work party later this week, so that'll be really exciting. But since he's gone for the night, I need to make some dinner for myself, and I don't love making anything that takes a ton of effort. I'm very low maintenance when it comes to my meals, although I do like something that tastes good, and this has become like my favorite thing to make, just because it's super easy and still tastes really amazing, and I don't have to put that much effort in, so it's awesome. And so basically it's a tortellini with kind of like a vodka tomato basil sauce, and I love it. It's super yummy, super fast, and yeah, we'll see. There's some ingredients that I had to kind of replace, so this might be a little chaotic, but I don't know, might be fun to cook with you guys for a minute. So let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing I always start with is getting some water boiling, just because I like to make the sauce while the tortellini is cooking, although this doesn't take very long. The sauce doesn't take super long either, so it's kind of nice to be able to put them all together once everything's kind of ready. But once I do that, I'm going to start mincing some garlic to start kind of roasting in this pan, and then we just kind of throw everything in there, make sauce. So yeah. Alright, so once the garlic's cooking, I try to get everything else ready. I already put the tomatoes in there because the garlic was done, but I like to get like a can of diced tomatoes, just like a normal size can. And now I'm going to put all my seasoning in. So I usually put in some basil, just like a bunch of basil, and I like to put in obviously salt and pepper. And I also like to put in onion powder, but I can't find that at the moment, so might just go without it this time. One thing I also like to do, I just don't have fresh basil on me at the moment, is putting in fresh basil. Makes it taste a lot better, but don't have that right now, so this is kind of what we're going with. Water is boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my tortellini in it. Just follow the instructions. A lot of tortellinis it's like usually like 4 or 5 minutes, so not super long, which is awesome. Alright, so once everything's kind of set, that's when you put in your cream to kind of make that vodka sauce. I don't have heavy cream right now, but half and half is actually usually a good replacement for that. I found in the past when I wasn't able to find it in the store. So yeah, if you ever need to use heavy cream in cooking, sometimes half and half just kind of does the trick. At least in my experience, which is very limited, so maybe take that with a grain of salt, but it's okay. Alright, it's not super pretty looking, but it does taste really good. It's like one of my favorite things to make. So I hope you enjoyed that little weird, chaotic cooking session with me. I don't know, I'm getting into liking cooking more. I used to get really anxious when I cooked, and so kind of, I don't know, not putting that much pressure on myself to make everything perfect has helped quite a bit with my cooking. And I like it a bit more now. I'm still working on it, but yeah.